has it that Swamp Thing lives deep in the swamp and mysteriously appears when a misty mist rolls in. You can tell Swamp Thing's near by its super stinky smell and by the disgusting, gurgly, burpy sounds it makes. And be ready, because Swamp Thing will reach out and grab you with its gnarled, creepy Swamp Thing hand! Swamp Thing.
Tell me when it's over. Tell me when it's over. Tell me when it's over. It's over! Oh! Well, yes, Anyway, Swamp Thing sure seems like a charming fellow. A bit misunderstood, perhaps, but charming nonetheless.
Misunderstood is certainly right, Nature Cat. This is the only known video of Swamp Thing.
Yeah, there's no other proof. Some say it's real, some say it's a hoax. No one knows for sure.
Oh, I know it's true. My best friend Charlie the dog, he knows a dog whose best friend's sister's best friend's cousin's best friend's brother, who just so happens to be my best friend Charlie the dog, saw the creature. No.
I heard some animals say that they've smelled the stench, and they've heard the gurgles, and they were almost grabbed by its creepy gnarled hand.
Maybe Swamp Thing was just reaching out his hand in friendship, perchance?
Look, you guys, it's time to find out once and for all if Swamp Thing is real or not.
It is? Like, right now?
Yes, and how cool is this? We can be the first to prove it.
We can? Right now?
It's time to investigate the swamp and get actual proof. Who's in?
Count the mouse in.
Me! Oh, me! Pick me! Pick me!
Hal, you're in.
I'm in too! To the swamp it is! But, oh, hey, look at the time. Well, gotta go back home. I bid you good day and good luck.
Come on, Nature Cat. We need you.
Yeah, come on, Nature Cat. Don't worry, we'll stay close by. We'll protect you.
Protect moi? Okay, deal. Just stay close. A little closer. No, closer. Really, you can't be close enough. That goes for everyone. Let's huddle up.
Here we are at the swamp. Certainly doesn't look scary. It's actually quite beautiful.
Okay, and, smells most interesting. A rich, intense, yet earthy aroma. Do I detect a hint of sweetness? I do. It's the swamp! Why, yes, here we are! The swamp! And looking for Swamp Thing! Tally ho!
Okay, so how do we go about finding something?
Oh, I've got